Hello, my name is Anderson Aguinda, and I'm declining to introduce you to one of the most enchanting destinations you could ever imagine. Have you ever been the close point of the sun? Chimborazo volcano welcomes you. Chimborazo volcano is located in the center of Ecuador in the east head volcano in the warmest room from the center of Earth. Here people could practice extreme sports such as climbing, trekking, trailing, running, cycling, hiking, and mountaineering.
Hello, my name is Lisbeth. I'm going to talk to you about the delicious dishes and typical ruins of the majestic Chimborazo. Also offering variety of activities for visitors like flora and fauna observation, photography, camping, and horseback riding. In the area of the Chimborazo volcano, tourists could enjoy of typical foods, for example, hornado, potato with roast guinea pig, ceviche, and fruit juice with Chimborazo ice. Thank you.